Hello my English learners and welcome to Anna's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. If this is your major problem that when it comes to speaking in English in practical situations, your mind goes blank. Or even not the basic English is coming to your mind when you are actually in that situation to speak English, then this video is definitely for you. Doesn't matter you are a basic, intermediate or advanced level speaker, this practice will definitely help you out. If you're feeling that you don't have any speaking environment and you have no one to speak or practice with, this is not the case. That's not the problem in here. I'm telling you the root cause that why you're not becoming fluent in English, because it's not coming to your mind. Your mind is stuttering. That's why it's difficult for you to speak in English in your practical situations. Because when you have something in your head, you don't need to force yourself to speak it. What you need to do is, in your unconscious mind, how can you start speaking in English? Let me guide you about the practice, what this practice is, without wasting any time. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go and subscribe to my channel. Show your love and support for Anna's Learning Corner. Let's get in this practice together. If you want to get the complete cheat sheet of this chain practice, you can fill out the form in the description of this video and get it for free. Let me guide you about this practice now. In this practice, first of all, you need to select any word. For instance, we have selected a word, come. Make a short and easy sentence. You don't need to make any complicated sentences. Just make easy and short sentence. Like you can say, you can come here. Then from this sentence, you have to select one more word, but the easy word. Like you can come here. We have selected a word here. I want to live here. Now you can select one more word from the same sentence. Like I want to live here. You can select a word I. So you can say, I love to visit different countries. Now we have selected a word love. I love you. You can select a word you. You are so pretty. Make a sentence with are. Are you okay? Make a sentence with okay. Okay, let's do this together. Make a sentence with do. Do it now. Make a sentence with it. It is raining outside. Make a sentence with the rain. I like rain. Make a sentence with like. I like to eat good food or healthy food. Make a sentence with food. I found this food moreish. Now make a sentence with find, which is the second form is found. So we are going with the first form, find. I'm not able to find my pen. Or you can make a sentence with my now. My nature is different. You see, what we are doing is we are making the chain of sentences. So every single day, try to make a chain of 30 sentences. This practice will lead you to its fluency without thinking a lot, without stucking a lot. And once your mind will become fluent in English, it will become really easier for you to speak English and to make it a habitual stuff in your life. Because now your mind is getting comfortable. Let me tell you one thing, making first 10 sentences will be a little tricky for you, but then gradually you will observe that now you are becoming fluent while doing this practice. I'm repeating, you need to select a word, make a short sentence, then from that sentence, select one more easy word, make the next sentence, and so on. I hope this practice is clear to you, and I believe that if you will do this practice, it will help you a lot to even become fluent in 2 to 3 weeks. Fluency is not a journey of years and months or days. It is something that requires your consistency, your efforts. If you're honestly putting your efforts and you are serious enough to improve your language, then you will start observing a difference. I don't need to tell you that it's a practice that will help you to become fluent in 2 days or a week or months. No, I'm not saying anything. The one advice is, you will observe the difference by yourself if you will do this practice with consistency. I'm saying you have to make 30 sentences, put a little extra effort and try to make 35 sentences or 32 sentences. Every single day, try to add up one number, one count in your number chain. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video and you found this video helpful. If you like this technique, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share it with more English learners so I believe that they'll get some guidance and help too. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.